Velasco. I'm the Director of Legal Services at the Heartland Alliance's National Immigrant Justice Center, or NIJC. NIJC represents hundreds of immigrants who have been swept up in secure communities and other local enforcement programs initiated by ICE. Today we'll be calling on ICE to immediately end the flawed and erroneously named Secure Communities program, which has created a fast-track deportation system that deprives immigrants of basic justice. The Secure Communities program undermines police trust within communities, particularly among crime victims and witnesses. It encourages racial profiling, it diverts scarce local police resources, and it violates due process protections. While ICE claims to focus on serious criminal offenders, the numbers don't back that up. ICE's statistics as of February 2011 show that more than 80% of the people deported from Illinois under Secure Communities never were convicted of a serious crime. A review of our NIJC's detention cases since June shows that nearly half of our clients in ICE custody have not been convicted of a crime or have had minor traffic offenses. Many of these men and women are entitled to legal protection and could remain in the United States with their families. But because of Secure Communities, Dragnet, they are thrust into immigration proceedings and face detention and deportation without understanding their rights and without access to legal counsel. Typically, our clients are seeking asylum, are crime victims and domestic violence victims, or are long-term residents of the United States with extensive and established community ties. They have come here to escape persecution and abuse. They have come in search of a better life and with a willingness to contribute to our communities. Many do have legal options to remain with their families in the United States, but the U.S. immigration system has cast its net so widely that thousands of immigrants who are not serious criminal offenders are suddenly and arbitrarily entangled in the deportation net. Those who cannot find lawyers are often deported and face persecution and abuse. President Obama, on behalf of the men, women, and communities who suffer under this program, we ask that you make our communities secure, to restore America's commitment to justice by ending the Secure Communities program.
Yo he vivido en los Estados Unidos por más de 10 años. Vine a los Estados Unidos para formar una vida mejor para mi esposa y mis hijos. El trabajo ha sido muy importante para mí, al igual que para mi familia, especialmente para poder proveer para mi hijo que sufre de una condición de convulsiones y está incapacitado.
I am here to remind everyone, including President Obama, that Cook County has been declared an immigrant-friendly community that guarantees equal treatment of all people, regardless of where they come from, regardless of their occupation, their faith, their skin color, or ethnic origin. And the reason I have to underscore that is because the initiative known as Secure Communities is threatening to make our county a hostile county. And I call upon President Obama and the Immigration and Customs Enforcement bureaucracy to hear the voice of governors who have utilized common sense and rationale in saying that this program is a failure, that it is detaining innocent people, that it is detaining hard-working people and not the criminals that it has been argued it was designed to detain and to remove from this country. Given the terrific failure rate of this initiative, once again, it calls for real leadership. The leadership has to come from President Obama and the leaders of that bureaucracy. Recognize a failure, do the right thing, and end Secure Communities immediately. And make Cook County the friendly place it should be. Thank you.